Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Sofi Technologies. Sofi Technologies is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels today. The stock is dropped by 20%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. The long-term picture above the 200-day EMA is still constructive, but trading under the 9-day EMA flags short-term pressure or consolidation. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $32.73. Price has already reached its long-term objective once and is now in a pullback phase. If buyers step back in around this retracement zone, the upside sequence to watch is $28.24, long-term target, then $34.31, 1618 extension, then $44.13, 2618 extension. The long-term roadmap is now active, with 4 out of 4 key confirmations in place. Confirmed signals include downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the length of the prior impulse, an estimated completion window ranges from about 36 to 66 sessions, which is roughly 10.2 weeks. Invalidation sits near approximately $25.41 on a decisive daily close below that level. A rising trend line is still acting as support near $17.87. There is a recent upward gap between $19.29 and $19.66 that has not been filled yet. This area marks a zone of strong support. If price pulls back to close this gap, it could temporarily drop by around 30.7% before any potential rebound. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between June 6 and July 22, the price saw an increase of around 47.3%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. The price is trading very close to the 78% equals 5.86 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 28.90 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 34.42, Fib 127, and then 36.56, Fib 162. Looking at Sofi Technologies today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently above several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 468, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is starting to expand. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $32.73. If price manages to close above $32.73 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $25.41, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $28.24, long-term target, $34.31, 1618 extension, to $44.13, 2618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $28.24, support near $27.20, a midterm target around $32.73. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Sofi Technologies. The most recent headline is Sofi Technologies, Nasdaq SOFI, Price Prediction and Forecast 2025 to 2030, November 14. Sofi stock today, November 14, 2025. Sofi price, THTA dividend, institutional buying, and long-term outlook. TS2 Tech, 16 hours ago, Sofi's overpriced valuation meets high growth, profitable cadence, Nasdaq SOFI. Seeking Alpha, 22 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Sofi Technologies. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates.